This is super cool, guys, and I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Alright guys, so today in this video, I will show you how to get a Stick War Legacy hack for iOS and Android. So as you can see, we open it up, and now, when I open up the game, as you can see, we are broke, but we can earn free gems. So I'm just going to turn it on, and now the gems should go up. So let's see if they start going up. So let's see what happens, and as you can see, guys, the gems are not increasing, but they should start increasing. So let's see if they go up, and no, they're not going up. Oh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So first things first, go to settings and go to turn the background app refresh on. Then turn off low power mode. So then go to browser, find Matrix Mods, and on the site, just type in Stick War Legacy, and you will see it. Press download, and then the last thing we're going to do is the verification. So all you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so here we are at the last step, and you can see it says missing files. So I just have to download like 2 of these apps. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. And then we have Travel Town, of course, and we've got tons of apps. So make sure you guys do 2 of them. I'll see you later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, bro. Free gems on Stick War Legacy doesn't sound bad. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So hope you enjoyed it, but yeah, it's legit. So get the word out. Just make sure you guys do the verification correctly, and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, as you can see, we got all the apps here. So you just want to make sure you download 2 of them, and then you're gonna be all set. So you can press help here and watch a video. That could be useful. But yeah, I mean, this is insane, bro. It actually works. So found it pretty useful today because I'm broke on Stick War Legacy. Like, let's be honest, I'm not a rich player, but now I'm rich. So it's super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This actually is updated and everything. So yeah, I mean, you got to get down and try this out. It's legit. So there you go, guys. Free gems. There's also some other things in here. We have instant build, no cooldown, fast army, Q boost, unit cap, train, all this stuff. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is fully working. So yeah, I mean, try it out. It's super easy to do. So I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it, honestly. So yeah, it should work fine. So peace out. Just make sure you do 2 apps and you're going to be all set. Any of the apps will do. Just make sure you download 2 of them, guys, and you're going to be all set. So peace out. But yeah, this is fully legit, guys. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. But yeah, it's so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, definitely make sure you download 2 of these and then follow the instructions, and you will be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is not for the weak-hearted. It is legit. So I'm going to tell you guys again to try it, because it can make you rich if you do everything correctly. So I will see you guys later. Peace out.